Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn or write Roman number 51 to 60. So let's start. 51 is equal to Li, 52 is equal to Lii, 53 is equal to Liii, 54 is equal to Liv, 55 is equal to Lv, 56 is equal to Lvi, 57 is equal to Lvii, 58 is equal to Lviii, 59 is equal to Lix, 60 is equal to Lx. I hope you all like this video. I will provide you Roman number playlist in this video description. Go and check out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.